ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, today we have to discuss how can we use C language in online software or online compiler. For that we have to need use of C language. Where I got C language? If we go in your internet, so many options available in your website. Some of them go to your web browser Google Chrome or any other web browser. After open your Google Chrome or any browser, type online C compiler. After type, I press enter key. Then so many options available here. Some of them are programmized like this. GBD online debugger. Next one compiler. Next coding in Jazz. This is also one type of C compiler. Online C compiler. It is also JDodul. It is also one type of C compiler. Online CPP Vita, online cpp.com. This is also one type of online compiler. Next, my compiler. It is also one type of C compiler. So many compiler available here. You have to open any one compiler. Suppose I want to open one compiler, take any one you can choose here. Suppose I open one compiler, this is JDodul. This is. I click here. You can do it using your mobile use only. By in your mobile, open your Google Chrome or any mobile, write down there online C compiler. So many options is available, will arrive there. Click any one. After click, first time you have to learn C language. C language means language of computer. That is, in C language, suppose I want to add two numbers. How can we write for add of two numbers? First time we have to write like this. You already know it. This is header file. Next, start main file. Next, bracket, flower bracket, close. Next, requirement, x equal to 10, y equal to 25, z is, we have to find it, z equal to a plus b. Then write here the output statement. You have to write like this. See here carefully, print f. Next, start parenthesis bracket. It will close before terminate character semicolon. Next, sum of x plus y equal percentage d like this. This is your this is your output statement. You have to write under 2 comma 2 inverted comma and give a single comma. Int main I return here. In software, after in some software you write here int main, then you have to write return 0. Like this statement you have to write it, but I here not written because software will automatically take. Now I have to go online compiler. Go for to open your online compiler in your mobile or your laptop or your desktop. Go Google Chrome and type online C compiler. You have so many options online C compiler available. Click any one. I click here JDoodle. After I see here, I deleted all things. Oh no one here. Now I taken here, I written here, I copy it. Next I paste here. Let's see here. It is same or not? Same. Next we have to, after I paste this, you can adjust, you can take it your adjust. Okay. I adjusted it. Now I have to go to run this program. Where I run this program, in some software run command is available there like this, but here execute command is available here. So after open your any C compiler in your computer, after you written your program, you have to see first run execute like this command. If you see the run or execute, then you find that is a button to run your program after your written code. I already written my code here. Now I have to go to run this program. To run this program, see here, put executed. After executed, you have to see like this. It is sum of x plus y equal to 35. That means I return here x equal to 10. Next I taken another integer number int y equal to 25. After 8 both number, you taken here a number in z equal to x plus y. And after you added this number, you have to write like this. I return here return 0. It will be right after int main. This is your output. This is one of the process to add two numbers in online C compiler. Now see here some point. Suppose I have not written this. I deleted return 0. Can I run this program? Now I have to see it. Again, we have to see this number. See here, in number 10 line, in number line of 10, I deleted return 0 and I put again, I again click at execute button. Then you have to see what happened. Again come result, sum of x plus y equal to 35. That means if it is optional, you can write it or you cannot write it. That means optional means it is depend your software. Some software accepted it or some software not accepted. In your exam, if you not return 0, that it is not a wrong, because it will automatically run. Some teacher also may take it as a wrong. It is not correct. Again, you have to see some point here. Suppose I sum of x plus y. Now I return here. What happened? BH college of x plus y. That means what will happen? See here. See here. BH college of x plus y equal to 35. That means what happened? What will happen? Why you written here like this? I want to say that if you write here some sentence under the two inverted comma in control of printf, you can write here any character. It is not depend on your general natural language. That means if you sum any mistakes, machine will display same way. Suppose I deleted it. What will happen? You seen here only 35 displayed here. That means you cannot say that your program is addition of two numbers 10 and 25. You cannot learn. You can say it may be multiplication of two numbers 7 into 5. That means how can you learn that this program is particular for addition of two numbers? You have to write meaningful sum word. Meaningful sum word where you write, that is in here you have to put or you have to write correct meaning, that after you have to write here correct. From this you have to learn that this is like this program. I written or audience or you or other can learn that here program is like this. To identify your program, you have to write at the at the output statement correct meaningful word. There from that you can learn that my program is like this. So you have to write printf means addition. You can write also like this, addition of two number. You can write it also. See here, addition of two numbers. You can also write this addition of two numbers x equal to 10 comma y equal to 25. You can also write this. It is so meaningful. Again, you can make it meaningful by using light. See here, addition of two numbers x equal to 10, y equal to 25 result. You can write here result is result is 35. It is so meaningful than earlier you written your program. Like you have to write like this way. That is, it is for so meaningful. Then first one, second one, last one. How can you write your program is meaningful? That is depend on your knowledge. How can you establish your knowledge? Where you have to put which word? This is depend on your knowledge. You can do it after your full experiment. Full experiment means you have to do so many calculation in your program, in your software. After you written 10-20 programs, you can write anyway any program. So this is one of the method to calculate addition of two numbers in online program. Again, now we have to go another compiler. You can go out. Again, we have to write. It is also online C compile programize. Go there like this way. Machine will display. In here, C. First time we have to see here where run execute like this command available. Firstly, we have to see here this is run command. That means we can, after I return my program, we have to go this command. For that, now I erase all programs. No, now I copy this program and technically we have got some problem. That is why I deleted I cannot delete it, so you have to write first time die. Okay, after I return this now I deleted it. This is one of the method. Now you can also adjust, or if you not interested to adjust, then also program run. Okay, I return here like this. See here, include std.h int main int x10 yy z equal to x plus y, printed sum of x y and return 0. Next I put here run 0. See here, sum of x plus y equal to 35. Now see here, I already written here in number line 8 return 0, but I return here int main. It is not mandatory to write here return 0 is for all programs. Now I deleted it. Okay, I deleted it, but int is available here. Now I press command add run. Then you have to see here in your output screen, sum of x plus y equal to 30. Result may also give like this way, that is return 0 is not compulsory to write, not mandatory for every program. Again you have to see, I return here int main. Now I int deleted it. See here carefully, I return only main, no int. Can I run this program? Yes, we can run this program easily. So after you return like this program, go to run command. Automatically machine will display your result, sum equal to x plus y equal to 35. Now another method is to write program. Suppose I return here int x equal to 10. Now I can write like this way. See here, int equal to x10, comma y equal to 25 and z equal to unknown. We have to find it. You can write this also. See here, we got the result like this. Same you can write like this in one line. integer is written in one line. X equal to 10, y equal to 25, z equal to 0. Z is your unknown number which you can find it. Then you can also write this way. See here. I written here, suppose in line 1 line. Then also machine run automatically. I have got here some mistakes. Mistakes means some problem. That line is broken here. No, machine will give one information that comes like this: extra token at the end of include the directive. That you cannot run this way in particular this software. In some other software you can write, no problem, but particular this problem comes in programmized software. You cannot run a program by writing in a line. So as per instruction we have to do it. So you cannot forcefully run this program in particular this online software. In our offline software you can write any program by one line. That also run your program, give will result very carefully, no problem. Okay, no problem. This is our second method to run online program in C++. In C. Again, if we go another compiler, this is one of the problem. See here, one compiler.com.c. This is one of the online compiler. You can run easily any program. Click here, see here, click here to run button to see your output. You see here, like this message you have to got after you open C compiler. Next, now we have to write like this. This is our program. Next, go to run command. You got here x plus y equal to 35. This is your output. This is your program, like this. This is your first program to add two numbers in online C compiler. Again, this you have to, we are not written here input statement, that is scanf. We directly add two numbers by taking. So how can we use scanf, that we have to learn now. First time, scanf is input statement and printf is output statement. How can you write? You have to, I think you have learned completely. By machine you can run only like this way also. Printf percentage d like this. You got only 35 result. You can write like this way also. See here, I open this program. After open, how can I write this program using scanf? By using scanf, how can you use scanf for addition of two numbers? Scanf is your input command. Printf is your output command. To input two numbers, you have to write this statement. And this statement, to understand your statement, you have to write this. Without this line, you can also write scanf only. That means then you have to cannot learn anything that what you are going to do in program. To learn your program, to learn how can you do like this instruction or meaningful to for user, you have to write some word this statement. That's it. How can you learn that what will machine do it? How can you machine do it? To learn this, that is meaningful your program, you have to write some output statement. First time, now you have to see what will happen. Now I deleted completely. See here. Okay. Now I delete it. Now I paste this. Okay. After paste, in run option, output option, totally nil. I have not seen anything. So now I put here run. One output is come, that is enter to integer. That means enter to integer. I learned that we have to, I have to enter two integer. That is any type. I enter 2 and 3. After enter 2, 3, what will happen? Then we have to press enter key, and now I press enter key. Then what happened? Result will given 2, 3, sum of x plus y equal to 5. That means you already confused that from where x plus y is come. Is not? Now I want to write it as a meaningful sum of two integers is, and now I delete x plus y, I deleted it. Again I run this, enter. Suppose I now enter, see one character, it is 3, 5. See here, sum of two integers is 8. See difference, first program, second program, third program, now this with this program. In first program, particular, we have taken two numbers and results we got 35. But here I entered any numbers. See here, again and press at run again to run this program. Enter two integer. Next I return here, suppose 11 and next 12. What will happen? Result is 23. I press here enter key. Result is come as 23. Sum of two integers is 23. See here how we write but how we have to write integer to integers. Suppose I not written here like this. So you have not received any message. How can you write this? In here not reflected any word, any sentence. How you cannot learn that this program is run for particular two numbers, not every two numbers. Then how can you learn? To learn that is, you have to write some meaningful word to run your program or to do your program. That means I not learn here. What will happen? Just I that is blanking vertical line is displayed here, but I know that this program is particular addition of two number. Now I put here 2 and 3 and press enter. What will happen? Sum of two numbers is 5. That is I seen here. Again, if we write here, suppose I already deleted it, and again I written enter two numbers, and now I deleted this, that is in result part. Now I want to run this. Enter two numbers. Why I want to enter two numbers? Suppose I enter 2, 4. What will happen? Press enter key. Result is display 6. What will happen? It is unknown for us. I can imagine that maybe result come after addition of 2 plus 3. Again we see another case. Enter two numbers 2, 2. What will happen? Result is come. From where result is come? 4. After how can I got 4 after enter 2 and 3? It may be 2 plus 3, or it may be 2 into 2. It may be multiplication, or it may be addition. How can I learn? You cannot say from output that it is addition or multiplication. You cannot say anything after you see the result part that it is addition purpose or multiplication purpose. So you have to write in this portion here, see this meaningful. That means if you write here addition two numbers. Addition of two numbers 3. If you put here equal sign, that also result will display equal sign like this. How can you display? This is your method. After how can we enter two number? How can we display? This is one of the method for your course. You can do it using mobile also. Again, suppose I want another simple method. Suppose you deleted this. You can also delete it. Completely you deleted this. you deleted this. You written here only 6 lines. You bracket can also put here. Then run it. In run part, output part, you have not seen anything here. How can you learn that this is your suppose addition, multiplication like this program? You cannot learn by if you not received any information from output side. So when you go to write a program, you have to write always meaningful word. From that you can learn that this is like this program. This is like this program. What type of structure this program? You have to give meaningful word. From meaningful word you have to got valuable information to do your program. Now I imagine suppose it is multiply. I imagine now I sense like this addition symbol I sense given minus. For that I have not seen anything here. Now I written in output part. No, in output part we have to enter 3 and 4. Why you written here? Why you typed here 3 and 4? We already given a command scanf. Scanf will allow you 2 numbers in your machine. So I entered 3 and 4 in our machine. Next I press enter key. Automatic machine display -1. This is one of the way to do subtraction of 2 numbers. Same way you can do addition of 2 numbers, multiplication of 2 numbers, subtraction, multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division also. In division also. Now we have to learn how can we add conditional statement. In next sector we have to learn how can we do conditional statement. Conditional statement is if else, nested if, nested if else, like this statement if we use, that is called conditional statement. In here this is your header file. This is your header file. This is your, again we can see here main. If we write height 2, you got here 3 result. You can do like this. That is preprocessor directive and it is called header file. It is main file. Main. From this the program will start. That is input part. It is your program. After finished your program, you have to close second bracket. Second bracket curly braces. After finished, put at run button. Then machine will display your result. So many compilers is available in your online. In mobile also you can use very easily. For the after open your mobile, you have to write whole programs in separate page. After you written in a separate page, you write whole program in your mobile. After mobile, before you write written all programs in your mobile, see where run or execute or other option available there. After you got this, you can do easily. So many compilers is available in anyone, you can do it using do it. Okay, next we start if else program. If means conditional statement. Conditional statement is if else. Control statement if else nested if, that is. Okay, to reach next my video to your mobile, all of you have to subscribe it, otherwise you have to search it again. After searching, you may not got my video or may you got your my video. So I think all of you subscribe it will help you for your future.